BK, how is important for the Pakistan cricket these three matches?
Yeah, it's very important for us. We want to come in here and hit these games hard. We're certainly not taking it lightly. We want to win the series and win it well. It also gives us an opportunity to have a look at a lot of the younger players. Our focus in mind is 2019 World Cup now, and we think that through the 2020 competition we can certainly see how these players react under pressure and see if they can be a part of our plans going forward. So there's a lot riding on the series for us.
So it will open the doors for the international cricket further.
Yeah, look, I certainly hope so. I mean, it's so nice to see. I never thought I'd be coaching a team in Pakistan in a series. So that's a wonderful privilege and an honour and something that I'm really looking forward to. And let's hope that it opens the doors for future tours, because for too long the Pakistan cricket public and have been missing out on these opportunities, and it gives the younger players and the younger up and coming youngsters sort of heroes to sort of identify with, and that's really important.